Welcome students. So today we are to learn in algebra chapter number first set. So we have to solve the practice set 1.1. Students we already know about the roster method and a listening method. So according to base practice set 1.1, question number first. Write the following set in a roster method. And the first example is given a set of a even number. In a roster method, students, we have to write down any of the set in the curly bracket. Okay, and we have to give a name for that. So the set of even numbers, we have to note that 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, we have to write down in a curly bracket. First, we have to write down the name of the set. Okay, we have to write down the set is A. So A is equal to into curly bracket. Set of the even numbers means 2, 4, 6, 8 up to infinite. Okay, so many of the numbers and then you have to close the bracket. Okay, this is the example of the roster method example, set of even number. Another example, set of a negative number. Okay, we also write down the first set of the name. So suppose the I is an integer. For that set of the negative numbers, so dash dash dash, because number starting from 0, -1, -2, 3, so we have to write down -3, -2, -1. Okay, so these are the set of negative numbers. Okay, another 7 basic sound of sargam. 7 basic sound of sargam means in a saregama we have to know that. Okay, first I have to write down the name. The set we have to consider is the S for saregama. Okay, the set. Okay, question number 3 is 7 basic sound of sargam. Okay, we have to know the 7 basic sound of sargam are the sa, re, ga, ma, pa. But we have to write down in the roster form. So S is equal to into curly bracket sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha and ni. Okay, one by one you have to write down using comma and write down their set like that in a curly bracket. Write down their set name S and their elements. Okay, these are the elements. Okay, so the students, we have to know about the roster method, how to write down the sets. Okay, so in question number second, students, in question number second, write the following a symbolic statement in word. Okay, some of the statements are given, you have to write down in word. Okay, so here the students, 4/3 belong to Q. Okay, this is the symbol of belong to Q. Okay, how to write down in word? So we have to write down 4/3 is an element of set Q. यानी कि जो 4/3 एलिमेंट है वो कौन से सेट में है? Q के सेट में है. Okay, so we have to say that 4/3 is an element of the set Q, and we have to read like that 4/3 is a belong to Q. Okay, next -2 is not belong to N. So how to write down in a statement in word? So -2 is not element of set n. यानी कि जो -2 एलिमेंट है वो n सेट में नहीं है. Okay, so we have to write down in a statement form. So how to read that? -2 is not belong to n. ऐसे we have to read that. Okay, third one. So P is equal to curly bracket P such that P is an odd number. Okay, कि P ऐसा सेट है उसमें जो P एलिमेंट है ऐसे एलिमेंट है कि वो ऑड नंबर से. We have to write down in statement. So set P is a set of all P is such that the P is a odd number. ओके, P इज अ ऑड नंबर, यानी कि P ऐसा सेट है जिसमें P ऐसे एलिमेंट है कि जो ऑड नंबर से, सो सेट ऑफ P इज अ सेट ऑफ ऑल P इज सच दैट, सो P इज अ ऑड नंबर. ओके, so the students, we have to finish the question number second. It's example. Okay, students, in question number 4, write the following set using a listening method. Okay, it's also called a roster method. Okay, so we know how to write down a element in a listening method. So we will see the example. First, all months in Indian solar year. First, we have to know that what are the elements in Indian solar years. We have to know that the Chaitra, Vaishak, Jyeshtha, Ashadh, Shravan, Bhadrapad, Ashwin, Kartik and Margashira. These are the Indian solar years, months in the Indian solar years. So how to write down in set? We have to write down in a listening method. So we have to write down the name of set. So A is equal to into curly bracket Chaitra, Vaishak, Jyeshtha, Ashadh, Shravan, Bhadrapad, Ashwin, Kartik, Margashira and Paush, Magh and Phalgun. Okay, these are the months in Indian solar year, and lastly we have to just end the curly bracket. Okay, similarly students, next example, letter in the word complement. We have to given a word complement and we have to write down these letters in the set. Okay, so how to write down? Okay students, so first I have to give the name for the set. So B is equal to, suppose B is the set contain complement COM. So COMPLE. Here the M students get the repeated times, so we have to take only one times. M यहाँ पे दो बार आ रहा है इसलिए we have to take only one times. Okay, similarly E, again E is coming again, so we have to write that, and then lastly is the N and T, so we have to close in curly bracket. So B is the set contain the elements are the C, O, M, P, L, E and T. Complement word में आपको M is repeated आ रहा है दो बार, similarly E, so we have to take only one times. Okay, this is the method we have to understand. This is called the listening method. Okay, so we understand also the question number 5. Write the following set using a rule method. Okay, यहाँ पे उन्होंने these are example और the sets are given in a listening method में दिए हैं, हमें वो rules method में लिखने हैं. Okay, so how to write down this rules method? So the set A contain the elements are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100. Okay, so if you observe, आप ऑब्जर्व करेंगे तो यहाँ पे आपको एक कॉमन चीज मिलेगी यहाँ पे कि वो स्क्वायर है, तो वो हम लिख लेते पहले इन अ रूल मेथड, यानी कि A is the set contain is equal to X such that X is equal to N square and N is belong to N and N is less than equal to 10. Okay, हम देखते हैं अभी ये सेट we have to write down in a rule method में, यानी कि A सेट है उसमें X is the element, so X such that X ऐसा एलिमेंट है वो स्क्वायर है, यानी कि 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is a 25, up to 10 square is a 100। यानी कि वो x ऐसा एलिमेंट है कि वहां पे वो h का स्क्वायर है, यानी कि वो नंबर का स्क्वायर है, और वो n इज बिलोंग टू n, एंड these are the natural numbers भी हैं, these are the n belong to n means these are the natural numbers, और वो कहाँ तक है कि उसकी वैल्यू अप टू 10। जैसे कि आपने 1 to 10 नंबर्स इसमें पुट अप करेंगे, सो 1 स्क्वायर इज a 1, 2 स्क्वायर इज a 4, 3 स्क्वायर इज a 9, 4 स्क्वायर इज a 16, 5 स्क्वायर इज a 25। ऐसे आप 10 नंबर तक इसका स्क्वायर करेंगे तो आपको 100 तक वैल्यू मिलेगी। यानी कि n की वैल्यू जब 10 आएगी, सो 10 स्क्वायर जब 100 आएगा तब वो वहां पे स्टॉप होगा वो सेट, क्योंकि n इज लेस देन इक्वल टू है, इक्वल टू यानी कि वो नंबर भी उसमें आता है। ओके, सो n इज लेस देन इक्वल टू 10, कंडीशन हम सेटिस्फाई की और उसके सेट्स यहाँ पे लिखे इस तरह से। ओके, सो वी हैव टू राइट डाउन दिस लिस्निंग मेथड, लिस्निंग सेट है वो, उसको हमने रूल मेथड में लिखा है। ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? ओके, सेकंड, when the C set contain SMILE, ओके, यहाँ पे C सेट में उन्होंने लेटर्स दिए SMILE, हमें लिखना है वो रूल मेथड में। तो C सेट, when the C set contain, यानी कि इस ऐसे लेटर है, we have to consider letters with the y such that y such elements in the word smile, यानी कि स्माइल में आपका स्पेलिंग देखेंगे या वर्ड देखेंगे, so these are similar, so the y such element in the word smile। okay, another fourth, x is the set contain a e t, these are the elements, means these are the letters, we have to write down the word of that। so इसके दो वर्ड आ सकते हैं, एक तो t आ सकता है या it। ओके, सो वी हैव टू राइट डाउन कि x ऐसा जो सेट है कि y such that y is a letter, words are it और t, ऐसे दो वर्ड आ सकते हैं कि ऐसा जो सेट है, ऐसा y जैसा एलिमेंट है कि वर्ड है कि वो जिसमें it और t ये दो वर्ड आ सकते हैं। सो दीज आर द वर्ड्स वी हैव टू कंसीडर।